Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. So, today is May 8th. Man, it's been a great day. It's been a great day. What I mean by that, you're just gonna have to continue to watch to figure it out. So let's get to it. Bitcoin breaks 100,000 amid U.S. UK trade deal optimism. Bitcoin surged past 100,000 for the first time since February, fueled by optimism over a comprehensive trade agreement between the United States and the United Kingdom. The deal announced by Donald Trump is seen as a positive sign for global trade relations, boosting investor confidence in cryptocurrencies. So yeah, we're back at 100. We're back past 100. So that's real good news. Real good news. All right. Moving on to stocks. U.S. stocks rally as on AI chip export policy reversal. U.S. stock markets experienced a significant uptick as the Trump administration announced plans to repeal Biden era restrictions on AI chip exports. This policy shift is expected to benefit major chip makers like AMD, Nvidia, Broadcom, and Intel, leading to a surge in their stock prices. Yep, that will be in the in the technicals today as well. I'm in a good mood. Today's been very good, very good. All right, so let's move on. Let's move on to Forex. Forex markets react to central bank decisions. The Forex market saw notable movements following the Bank of England's decision to cut interest rates by 0.25%, bringing the benchmark rate down by 4.25%. This move, aimed at stimulating the UK economy, led to fluctuations in currency pairs involving the British pound. I actually got stopped out of a trade on EU. Actually today. Um, yeah, let's keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Oil prices. Oil prices climb on U.S. trade hope. Wait, I'm sorry. It didn't say that. Oil prices climbed on U.S. China trade hopes. All right. Oil prices rose by nearly 3% amid renewed hopes for a trade agreement between the United States and China. The anticipation of improved trade relations is expected to boost global economic activity, increasing demand for oil. All right. So this is the news for today. Uh, let's get on to the charts. First thing first, there was no rate cuts, and as you can see, crypto is soaring. Just look at the green. The green looks good. That's a lot of green. And these are just a few that I'm looking at. The ones I told myself, you know what? Let me get a nice little bunch to where I can always have a trade to get into. Just for the simple fact that we're trading on higher time frames. You're not going to find a trade every day. So yeah. Let's look how Bitcoin burst out of this 3-day trend line, and then on the 12-hour, bust out of that pattern right there. Bust out of that pattern right there. All right. Let's see what's next on the list. Another one that I've been making money on. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Look at Suey on a 12-hour. That looks good. That looks good. That looks good. Mm, 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 mm. So I'm predicting price to go at least to like 580. Around 580, that's where I am predicting price to go to. And then, of course, breaking out. Of course, breaking out. Because of this, this is basically altcoin season. Between this one and this one, Bitcoin dominance is falling. Is falling. The On the 12-hour chart, we have an engulfing candle. Engulfing candle on the 12-hour. That means it is falling. And look at that crazy engulfing on the 3-day, and the MACD hasn't even turned yet. So we know for a fact that if and when it continues to fall, it's going to go back down to like 62 for a fact. And the reason why I say that, because this is the EMA. EMAs are magnets. Now, this EMA might come up to like right here, to like 63.25. Yeah, I think that'll be better. So that's 63.25. Oh wow. Yeah, so right here. Yeah, I can see that. And by the time price gets down here, it'll probably be somewhere around here. This 200-day EMA will potentially be up here. All right, let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. I was on Sui. I was on Sui. So yeah, breakout, boom, boom, boom. Of course, we're going to smash through this fair value, these two fair value gaps. What does it look like on the 3-day? There's no fair value gaps on the 3-day. All right, now the best one I've seen was Pepe. So I got in Pepe last year. It's one of the first things that I purchased. She was one of the first ones because I saw how cheap it was. And then of course I came across this YouTuber. He's a big Shiba Inu guy. But anywho, then I came across Pepe. Pepe is up 30% today. Pepe is up 30% today. Another YouTuber, Crypto R Us, I remember him saying last year, when the bull market happens, you're going to start to see 30% gains in these meme coins. And that, I'll be happy to see 30% every day. I don't know about y'all, but I will be most definitely happy to get 30% every day. Man. All right. Let me see. We got that. ETH been going up too. ETH has been going. Ooh, that's definitely head and shoulders. Reverse, inverted head and shoulders. Let's write this up. Boom, boom, boom. Oh dang. Nah, I don't know what that is. I might be doing it wrong. I might be doing it wrong. So, yeah. Um, yeah, ETH is killing the game right now. ETH is killing the game. It's actually a trade that you guys can potentially get into off the 12 hour. Man, look at that 6 hour. It is just running. Oh my god. All right. All right. Let me start from the top. All right, so Broadcom, which is Avgo or something like that. This was one of the ones in the article went to chips. This was one of the ones in the article went to chips. Ooh, I haven't been on this in a minute. So let me do this real quick. Okay. Definitely didn't see that one right there. All right. And boom. I don't even know why this is here, bro. Nah, that ain't gonna work. You can just delete that. And then you got this trend line right there. Boom. Price is respected on the other side, on both sides. Yeah, because it broke through and then it retest, then broke back out. Yeah, broke back out. So I would definitely get in somewhere after this area if I was getting in on the 3 day. If I was getting in on the 3 day. And then here, I'll just wait for a retest back on the 30-day EMA. All right. NVIDIA. NVIDIA is about to cross 3-day EMA. 3-day trend line. Which is bullish, which is very, very bullish. This actually don't look like a good sign right there. However, we still got time. We still got some time. So yeah, to be looking out for the break of the 3-day trend line on NVIDIA. AMD. What do we have? Have? What trend line? Was that a 12-hour or a 2-day? That's a 2-day. That's a 2-day. So, and that's a lot of volume. That was a lot of volume to push through. So, price pushed through, and price is now above the 30-day EMA. 30-day EMA. Of course, we have 24 hours left to see what this price does. Now, I would get in when price closed above it. And the reason why I say that, because it just came out of here. Came out of this pattern. Just came out. So, let's move it on. Let's move it on to Intel. Another chip. Another chip. There's a lot going on here. Well, it's up 5 cents in the aftermarket. Surprised I never charted this up. Then do something like that. Now we can see something. This is a support right here. Look at that support. Now we can see something. Now we can see something. Guys, I need a faster computer and a new monitor. But it's working. It's working. You know, I can still see on the monitor, so it's not the best, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I should go a little closer. Yeah, I like it like that. Then we can throw another one down right here. See how that one look. Like so. So this is the trend line that price would need to break. All right, so I mean, I don't see anything. Ooh, Intel look like it's gonna drop again because that looked like a flag. I don't know, Intel. Did I not? Yeah, that's a huge range. Oh, that's a huge range. That's a huge range. I don't know. I need some more data on this one. I need some more data on this one. Because all I'm seeing is price falling. That's all I'm seeing with Intel is price falling. All right, so we showed Bitcoin, SUI, S&P 500. We did not show. We did not show. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, and it definitely did this inverted head and shoulders. It definitely did it. So that's good. So this looks like it's a flag about to form. It's probably like on a 6 hour or something. Ooh, that was a clean double bottom. So you guys can see it a little easier. Yeah, that was a clean double bottom. Real clean. But yeah, 23 minutes. Yeah. And I just remember something else. The death cross. Where did I see it? Was it on a 3-day? No. No. Was it on Sui? I mean, it happened right there. Let's check Sui real quick. I know I'm getting sidetracked, guys. I know I'm getting sidetracked. It might have been Sui when I seen that death cross. So when the 50 and 100 or the 50 and 200 or whatever, or the 60 and 200, when those EMAs cross, it's called the death cross. And typically what happens is a big move. It's a big move based on what you're looking at. Kind of like right here. Continue to go down. Continue to go down. But yeah, let's get back on track. I showed ETH. Showed Pepe. Did we show Ave? Here comes the dog. Yes, Andy. All right, so Sandy, I hope they cannot hear you. You're embarrassing me, Sandy. All right, yeah, Ave is going up as well. And it actually looks pretty darn good. Let's move that around like so. Yeah, that looks real good. That's a nice setup. All right, now let's look at UJ and AJ. Right here. So, I am in some trades, as you can see. It's about to break out. On a 3-day chart, it's about to break out. So it's looking like Monday would be nice, or Sunday, late Sunday when the market's open. It's going to be nice, real nice. All right, and AJ. Blah, 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 blah. I know I'm seeing it. This it right here? This AJ? Yes. And another. AJ has broken out already. As you can see, I got my good entries. Also, I changed my what do you call these? The take profit and whatnot. I changed it in percentages. I hear they say when you take the dollar out of trading, you become a better trader. So that's what I did earlier this week. Just testing it out. Just because I know sometimes I can, slip up on my rules and whatnot. But yeah. That's it. So that's it for this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and yeah, whatever. Yeah, like, share, subscribe. I think I'm forgetting one of them. But I am going to start a Discord. So I will let you guys know when and where it's at, so we can talk about more trades, and I could actually put more trades in there. So until then,